sarees we are taking from India only, not from Bangladesh. The entire sale proceeds they are taking from India, where Bangalore, Chennai, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra. Then another boy was sitting there. He has one of the biggest mall in Kuwait. He is a Vora Muslim. I asked him that you are also not selling the Indian goods. You must be taking from Europe, German, America. Absolutely not. The children's suits, this is the most popular in the world, that is from Indian market. So I just like to request you, when Bangladesh is setting everyday garment industries, they are setting up infrastructures. You will get all sort of cooperations. You will get all sort of cooperations. Don't be afraid. Come out with all your total strength. You will get the support from the government. And as a transport minister, I undertake that all your industries will be connected through transport. I will see that transport system is there. It's my job. If you just manufacture one shirt, I was talking, somebody will supply the button, somebody will collar, somebody will supply the piece. So 4, 5, 10 people will be involved. I am a president of a trade union of one of the oldest textile industry, Hada Textile. I don't know Ambarish is here or not. Mr. S.N. Hada, he has just died. He was 94. And he was a very good friend of mine. Like my father, but he behaved like a friend. So really, I am sorry to say all these things. But next time, I want to see that textile fair will take place in Calcutta, and not only in Netaji Indoor Stadium. You will also utilize the Milan Mela ground, because there should be at least 500 participants minimum, and the government will give you total backup to ensure the participation. Okay? My industry minister is there. Milan Mela, he will organize. And so far the rent is concerned, we will also consider. Okay? Thank you. Thank you very much.
We will definitely be able to organize our tax region in Milan Mela with more vigorous and more enthusiasm. We are awaiting very much for that day, sir, and we are quite confident to do that in near future. Friends, we have with us Honorable Minister Dr. Manas Bhuiya. I recall the days of our Golden Jubilee at Science City when Dr. Bhuiya was there with us in our Golden Jubilee celebration, and he inspired us on that occasion along with Partho Chatterjee Sahab. Now I invite Dr. Manas Bhuiya to please bless us with his address.
শ্রদ্ধা নিবেদন করছি। At the outset, I should congratulate Kotti Chamber of Textile Trade and Industry to organize this Tax Vision 2012, which has been inaugurated today and it will continue till 19th. Honorable President of this organization, Vijay Kumar Binayakia, Joint Convener Mr. Bal Kishan Delia,
eminent personality, industrialist and Padma Shri, Mr. Mamraj Agrawal, Joint Convener of this expedition, Mr. Santosh Kumar Keria, Honorable Minister, our colleague in the Cabinet, Mr. Madan Mitro, a vibrant personality, our very senior minister and very important personality in the Cabinet, Minister of Industry, Industrial Reconstruction, IT, Honorable Minister Partho Chattopadhyay, and distinguished representative of the Koti and the participants in this Text Vision 12. This is absolutely organized by a private sector, by the banner of Koti. You know, our government in the last continuing 11th month and last 10 months has achieved a commendable things under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister. You have pointed out in your speech, I was reading, that this sector was tremendously neglected for the last 34 years. Bengal in Indian textile map was the pioneer at par with Maharashtra and Gujarat. But Bengal in the last 34 years has reached to the last plateau with a suffocating condition in textile sector when southern India had reached and competing with the western India and northern India. But Bengal has been suffering a lot. The regions best known to you, because you are the adherent participants of this industry. From the very beginning, Honorable Chief Minister directed us and given her mind that we have to give all sort of positive initiative with the support to this sector. The neighboring states took the advantage and pouring garments and hosiery products to the virgin market of West Bengal. And pouring garments and hosiery products to the virgin market of West Bengal. The hosiery and garments which are the requirement in Bengal, the production at par is only 15%. 85% are coming from other states and other countries. Here we stand, my dear friends. So you have to take the initiative of Bengal traders and industry who are associated with the textile sector. It is a virgin land. Sometimes I repented in a Chamber of Commerce interaction. The industrialists live in Calcutta, except few of India. They like to stay and love Calcutta with their family members. Why they are not coming to invest here? This is my big question. I ask my mind, what are the problems? Is it only land? It has been clarified by my colleague Partho Babu. The Chief Minister has formed a core committee. We are addressing the problem within 10 months, which was not addressed during 34 years. Which was not addressed for the last 34 years. We have given relaxation in 14Y. In terms of lease and assignment, we have given concentration to those points. What are the difficulties? Yes, Bengal is a land critical state. Per capita land holding is lowest in India, 16 decimal per head. And density of population second highest in India next to Bihar. As per census 2011, 1029 per square kilometer. But should we be victim of this situation, or we can take a challenge to confront it. Someone is complaining that Bangladesh products are pouring into our market. Yes, we are living in a global village. You have to be productive, competitive, qualitative, conducive, receptive, and reflective in your nature, in production, trade, and business. You have to be very vibrant, competing participant in the textile market. What our government has done for the last 10 months, we have constituted 2 state-level advisory committees. One in relation to the small and cottage industry, involving all the representative of the Chamber of Commerce industry, and other is absolutely concentrated with the textile business, trade and production. We have given direction to percolate it in the district level, to point out and identify the problems involving the departmental officers, general administration, land and all others where you can interact. Take the advantage of the position and get the benefit to explore and tap what best can be achieved through your process. This is open, absolutely open. Next, Chief Minister has given direction that cluster approach must be a top priority. She gave the direction for 17. We are going to complete 34 within 2 months. 34 within 2 months. 57 is in pipeline and 105 all have been identified, and we are discussing, interacting with the central government. Number 2, the textile park, textile hub and textile cluster are our priorities. Samudragad, Dhonekhali, Shantipur, Phulia, we are providing. Government of India has come forward. We got the sanction of the All India Institute of Textile Technology in Shantipur. This is 4th in India within 10 months. Within 10 months, we got it under the leadership of Chief Minister. We are going to get the sanction. It is in the pipeline very soon. The mega textile park involving Murshidabad and Nadia and part of Bardhaman. We are interacting with the district magistrates and the LA collector. Please cooperate, provide all helps to the textile entrepreneurs and traders and industrialists who are in a mind to set up their units in West Bengal. I am personally talking to the district magistrate and sending your representative to them to sort out the problems across the table. Any complaints reaching us, we are leaving no stone unturned to reach the goal. So government is open, ministers are open, Chief Minister is in a highest liberal attitude with cooperative mood. So take the advantage. So take the advantage. You have to be competitive, qualitative, productive. If you want to compete with the Western India, Southern India, you have to plan it out. You have to plan it out. So I can assure you, the representative of the COTI and the Tax Vision 2012 participants, representatives, that please come forward. In the meantime, by the direction of the Chief Minister, we are setting up 4 urban hubs which will accommodate not only the handicrafts but the textile products also for its exhibit. It has been opened in Durgapur by the Honorable Chief Minister, 1. Second, Salt Lake. Third, Shantiniketan. Fourth, Siliguri. We are going to set up the rural hub. We have picked up the Jungle Mahal area, Jhargram, Purulia, Bishnupur and northern part Alipurduar. Honorable Chief Minister has given us direction to plan it out, to set up the rural hut in each subdivision. We will do that if we can get the funding pattern of the backward region grant fund. We will be waiting.